Welcome back, everyone. In this lesson, we'll display real-life use cases where companies have sought LangChain solutions to deliver cutting-edge technology products to boost their staff's productivity or improve customer experience. Let's dive straight in. Consider Ally Financial, one of the U.S.'s largest bank holdings and car finance companies. Ally Financial is an all-digital bank, and as such, its employees must stay current with new technological advancements and offer innovative approaches to their clients. So, they've partnered with LangChain to develop their LLM-powered platform, Ally AI. This platform is designed to summarize call conversations between assistants and customers using an LLM. This has proven to help associates tremendously, freeing them from the mundane task of documenting conversations and allowing them to focus their time and energy on assisting customers more quickly and efficiently. Let's talk a bit about this process of summarizing the conversation between customer support and Ally's client. Providing financial assistance inevitably involves sharing proprietary information, such as a customer's name, social security number, account details, email address, and much more. Understandably, we can't simply put a conversation containing such sensitive information into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a summary. Instead, we need a bridge between the conversation and the LLM that masks this personally identifiable information before passing it to the language model. This is where LangChain comes into play, offering a module to mask such sensitive strings before making the LLM call. How cool, right? Let's now look at another use case where LangChain has proven invaluable. Adyen is a fintech platform used by giants like Microsoft, Spotify, and LinkedIn. It provides end-to-end payment services, data-driven insights, and financial control. Adyen has embraced the power of AI to ease the work and improve the efficiency of their support team. The problem they've tried to solve is to reduce response waiting time on incoming customer tickets through a smart ticket routing system. Or, even better, automatic LLM-powered responses. This would result in more satisfied customers and essentially eliminate the tedious and time-consuming task of redirecting a ticket to the relevant person, reproducing the problem, and constructing a response. Again, we can't just copy-paste a ticket into ChatGPT and expect it to help a customer or redirect them to the relevant support person. The model doesn't have this information. But with the help of LangChain, they've realized the project successfully, creating a support agent co-pilot relying on a technique called retrieval augmented generation, an important topic that we'll cover in detail later in the course. Very well, everyone. Let's consider one last use case: code completion and code suggestions. RoboCorp is a Python-based platform that enables the creation of bots to automate diverse tasks across various fields. Examples from the data extraction field include automating the scraping of prices, reviews, and other information from websites. The accountant and HR sector can also benefit by automating the monthly processing of invoices or the onboarding of new team members. Finance employees can automate the generation of financial reports, and IT specialists can create robots to test applications and websites. But of course, building an automated robot is no easy task. That's why RoboCorp has employed LangChain to build Remark, a co-pilot that can assist you with coding advice. Or why not generate an entire code snippet for you? All you need to do is explain the use case you need to solve in human language, and Remark will develop the relevant code. To make this possible, RoboCorp has provided a large model with data from many resources, including coding examples and documentation. They've successfully created a product that solves customers' problems quickly and efficiently. This has the added benefit of reducing the support team's workload as they now handle fewer support tickets and customer issues. All right, we considered 3 intriguing use cases: masking personally identifiable information, routing customer support tickets efficiently, and creating code using only plain English. But the applications don't end here. You're welcome to explore LangChain's website for inspiration, discover real-life examples, and brainstorm your own unique use cases. In our next discussion, we'll discover what makes LangChain such a powerful tool for building LLM-powered applications. See you soon!